To the untrained eye, this chimney might not look alright to you, but as you can see with this topper, where them arrows are pointing, and where I've zoomed in, you can see how water can just get like left in that area, and obviously cause damp. And this second chimney, same again, water just ponds up and pools behind it. With this cladding, we didn't know if this cladding went all the way behind chimney, which is another reason why it was leaking. And as you can see with this, you've got a pipe running out of this gutter, comes from the bathroom in dormer, and then with this valley, it's just been fitted all wrong. It looks alright, but obviously it was leaking all the way around. So what we've done is replace all cladding. We put invisible gutters outside at dormer. We've disconnected the pipe and rerouted it to where it needs to be. The one that we're coming out of the wall. We've redone this valley and took the chimney down, the little chimney on the end, and cleaned gutter out, and obviously it won't get blocked up anymore. And all in all, obviously we took the chimneys down both sides, recladded it all, and just overall made it look miles better. And sealed it properly around windows. Sealed it before we put cladding on, and then sealed it again after we put the cladding and everything else. Oh no, looks spot on.